जिसका जन्म ही कंट्रोवर्सी में हुआ है उसको कंट्रोवर्सी से परहेज नहीं करना चाहिए.
I do not want to put this film on TV in prime time.
I think I might get very popular in another kind of cinema after this movie.
उस स्वर्ग से क्या लेना जिसमें तुम साथ नहीं, उस नर्क से क्या डरना जिसमें तुम साथ हो.
The cast and crew of Jism 2 graced the press conference of their film at a 5-star hotel in Mumbai. Check it out.
जिस तरह की फिल्मों से आप ताल्लुक रखते हैं, मीडिया को लगता है कि आप केवल कंट्रोवर्सी से ही जुड़ी फिल्में बनाते हैं.
जिसका जन्म ही कंट्रोवर्सी में हुआ है उसको कंट्रोवर्सी से परहेज नहीं करना चाहिए. मुझे लगता है कि जब भी आप अपने कन्विक्शन के आधार पे कुछ काम करते हैं तो थोड़ी बहुत तन्हाई का एहसास होता है, क्योंकि एज पे खड़े रह के ज़िंदगी गुजारना इतना आसान है नहीं. तो हमने एज पे खड़े रह के ज़िंदगी के वो रंग देखे हैं और वो रंग हम आपके लिए लाए हैं जिस्म 2 में. जिसको लगता है केवल ये एक एरोटिक थ्रिलर है, मैं उनसे कहूँगा कि ये सही है आपका सोचना कि ये केवल एरोटिक थ्रिलर है, मगर जब आप टिकट खरीदेंगे या फिल्म को देखने का आपका सौभाग्य होगा तो आपको लगेगा कि इसमें एक इमोशनल कोशेंट और एक इंटेलेक्चुअल कोशेंट जो है वो आज के मौजूदा हिंदुस्तानी सिनेमा में जो परोसा जा रहा है उससे 10 गुना बड़ा है.
मेरे लिए तो सबसे पहले इट वाज अ मैटर ऑफ ऑनर बिकॉज जिस्म 1 आई रेट दैट एज अ क्लासिक हिंदी फिल्म, और उसका जो सीक्वल बन रहा है और उसका मैं हिस्सा हूँ, वही मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी बात है. तो अपने आप में ऑफ कोर्स वो एक चैलेंज है, प्लस वो भट्ट साहब की लिखी हुई फिल्म है जिसमें मैंने संवाद दिए हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स प्रेशर तो रहता है, लेकिन साथ साथ आई एम हम्बल्ड ऑल्सो.
एक जब कहानी पहले लिखी थी तो हम मलिका के पास गए थे. मलिका हमारी मित्र हैं, बहुत सम्मान करती है मेरा. पूजा से उसकी बहुत अच्छी बनती है, मगर सब कुछ होने के बाद में पूजा वॉज नॉट 100% ऑन. फिर बिपाशा से बात हुई, मगर जब सनी आई तो एक अर्जेंसी पूजा में अचानक पता नहीं कहाँ से आ गई और मेरे दफ्तर में आई, और फिर उसने अपनी मैडनेस का एक रूप दिखाया. फिर हमने वहाँ से बॉल उठाया. तो हमको लगता है कि इस फिल्म में आज की तारीख में हम बिना सनी की इस प्रोडक्ट को कंसीव ही नहीं कर पाते.
But also I would like to add, I think that the casting of Sunny Leone in brand Jism was like blood in a shark pool. अगर हम सनी लियोनी को कजरारे में या धोखा में या मर्डर में या कोई दूसरी पिक्चर में कास्ट करते हैं तो ये इम्पैक्ट नहीं होता. इट्स द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ब्रांड जिस्म and Sunny and her persona that was actually like blood in a shark pool. And as far as I'm concerned, मैं बहुत clear थी. I thought कि हिंदुस्तान को एक नई fantasy की ज़रूरत है. That's what I wanted, a new woman. I thought you guys needed a new fantasy.
How would you describe your journey so far as a director? Your dad has been at it for 40 years now, and but this is a very challenging kind of film for you as a director who's just 2 or 3 films old. So
Yeah,
your journey.
I have 4 flops to my credit as a director.
That's okay.
And my father had exactly 4 flops before he made Arth. So I'm hoping कि Jism 2 is my Arth.
Yeah, but how do you describe your journey and your challenges as a director based on the script?
Well,
and
I
Sunny?
mean, it was one hell of a challenge in every way. But the thing is that, I mean, for 3 years I sat and waited patiently for him to give me my script. I identified Sri Lanka. I went back to it twice or thrice, and I just waited because I knew that I can't start a wrong film. So I just braved it out because for me at this point, I've got everything to gain and nothing to lose. I'm in a rather enviable position in that capacity, but I do know and I can sense in my bones that this is going to change things for me and for everybody involved with the film. Jism 2 is going to be a film that will most certainly be mentioned in all our obituaries, and that is a guarantee.
आपको सभी लोग एक ही सवाल पूछेंगे कि सनी लियोनी के साथ कैसा लगा काम करके.
I think I might get very popular in another kind of cinema after this movie. All by association, none earned by me. I think it was very interesting to work with Sunny, to come to the fact that at the end of the day, she's a girl who's doing her first movie and can have apprehensions which all of you might think that she does not. And on the other hand, the director never asked me whether I have had any apprehensions, whether I'm okay with taking off my clothes and being manhandled. No, there was no apprehension whatsoever. I think I really enjoyed working on this movie. I think, as everybody else pointed out, that although you guys are all hooked on the exotica and the erotica of the movie, I think the emotional fulcrum of the movie, the quotient of love, which is not just candy floss love, but about a love which is the real love and the love that lasts, which is love which is unfulfilled usually. It's a lot about that, and when you come out of the movie, you'll carry back a lot more with you than just lustful images, I can assure you that. And it was fun doing those lustful images too.
What kind of an experience was it to work under a woman for the first time?
No, it's not been the first time. And I think we all have mothers, so taking orders from a lady is not a problem. So, you know, माँ बोलती है भागो भागते हैं भाई. And as long as the person directing you knows what they're telling you to do, I have no problem. You can tell me whatever you want, and if we're on the same page, we're on the same team, I'll bleed for you. And Pooja was one of the most wondrous people I've worked with. And I'm not just saying this because there's a gun to my head right now.
आप लोग को लगता है ये फिल्म परिवार देख पाएगा, परिवार साथ में बैठ के?
बिल्कुल देख पाएगा, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तानी परिवार के जो मॉरल वैल्यूज है उसी को endorse
परिवार in the
करती
sense
है
कि एक तो it's not for people who are under the age of 18.
हाँ, वो तो आपकी audience
It's for
के लिए-
adults. And I can assure you that it is a film that you will come out of and you will not cringe. I stand by every frame. It is unabashedly sensual. Because sensuality, I do believe, is the female domain that we don't claim enough. And I have no qualms about that, but you can most certainly see it, not with only your family, but the families that you want to have in the future as well.
A film like Jism 2, which is the talk of the town, is being shown to the press today. How come Sunny Leone is not present in
So
personally?
she's arriving on the 27th night, and we are taking her to her fan base in North India, most certainly. She's very keen on, and in fact, even going to the Gurdwara in Delhi. That will be an interesting combination to see. So we're taking her into the hinterland of India. We thought that we shall kind of bring her back to Bombay to meet you guys post the release. Because once you see her film, you guys will look at her differently. Your tone and tenor of your questions will change because it's a very, very sincere debut. And I told Sunny this, that there are more people out there who want to see you fail than they want to see you succeed.
So Pooja, hopefully at the success party we can come face to face with Sunny Leone.
Yes, I will make sure that your fantasy comes true, Jyoti. You will be face to face with Sunny Leone and you'll have a drink with her. I promise you, Jyoti.
जो लोग ये कहते हैं कि महेश भट्ट जो सारांश बनाता था, अर्थ बनाता था, जन्म बनाता था, उनकी शिकायत दूर हो जाएगी, क्योंकि जिस्म 2 में वो गहराई मिलेगी आपको जो आपने सारांश में देखी थी, जो आपने जन्म में देखी थी, जो आपने अर्थ में देखी थी. आप केवल जिस्म को देख रहे हैं, मैं कह रहा हूं कि इसकी रूह को देखिए, उसमें उससे ज्यादा शिद्दत मिलेगी. वो तीनों फिल्मों का निचोड़ एक तरफ और जिस्म की रूह एक तरफ.
I do not want to put this film on TV in prime time. I only want a 11 p.m. slot. I'm making an adult film. I don't want a backdoor entry into your home. And if I don't get a 11 p.m. slot, I'll change the game. I'll maybe release on DTH directly. I do not want to maul my film to suddenly kind of cater to a family audience that this movie was not made for. I leave that kind of schizophrenia to other filmmakers. That's not me.
आने वाले दिनों में किस तरह का प्रमोशन देखने को मिलेगा, क्या होगी स्ट्रेटजी आप लोगों की?
Well, on the 1st of August, we have a rather interesting design that's going to be out in the market. Because not only does it officially launch Jism 2, it also announces Jism 3. So wait and watch.
एक लाइन है जो आखिर में सनी कहती है फिल्म में, उस स्वर्ग से क्या लेना जिसमें तुम साथ नहीं, उस नर्क से क्या डरना जिसमें तुम साथ हो. वो जो लाइन है वो मेरी सबसे फेवरेट लाइन है इस फिल्म की.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.